Bibi, what are you playing? You playing color paper. Dạ, không lâu lai bọn lòng. Pẹ bà ôn à? Câu nào mà bọn trong pẹ bà ôn nó con tao của bà ôn giống nó con á. Bibi, which one do you like? Oh, Bibi chose red color first. Bibi, oh yeah, sorry. Bibi, which one do you like, Bibi? Which one? Oh my God, Bibi chose red color. Wow, Bibi so smart, Bibi. Bibi can choose the color between yellow and red. Bibi choose the red color. Wow, you are so smart, boy. Like red color. Wow, so smart.
Anh em cây sâu khiếp.
Mặc quần thọ cho mình luôn nha. Bibi, play it. Wow, Bibi. Bibi like color pepper. Especially which one? I know you like all the color, but especially the red color Bibi like the most. Bibi, hello. Hello, could you say hello, Bibi? Hello. Bibi, hello. Hello, Bibi. Bibi. You want to play with red paper? No? You don't want to play more? Bravo, my phone. Baby, my telephone. Please, baby. Oh, baby, my God. Hello. Baby, hello. Baby, you want to play with my ring, baby? Oh my God. Oh, baby, your nail is so long. Baby, your nail is so long. Oh, baby. You played a lot today.